Hello everyone, and welcome to part 2 of this session on examining associations. Now we are going to move on to look at examining associations between two continuous variables, and we can do this using something called a correlation coefficient. There are different types of correlation, which we won't go into in detail here, but two main types include Pearson's correlation coefficient, which is a measure of the strength and direction of a linear relationship between two numerical variables, and Spearman's rank correlation, which measures the strength and direction of an association between two ranked numerical variables, i.e. they do not need to be linearly related. Here is a graphical representation of different strengths and direction of correlations. Shown in panel A is a perfect negative correlation. In this relationship, as the value of one variable increases, the other decreases. Panel B shows a slightly weaker negative correlation. In panel C, there is no relationship between the variables and they are uncorrelated. In panel D, we show that the opposite of panel A, so here there is a perfect positive correlation, so that as one variable increases, the other increases. And this is shown to a lesser extent in panel E, which shows a slightly weaker positive correlation. Finally, in panel F, there appears to be a strong relationship between the two variables, but these are not linearly related, so there is no correlation. So, just because two variables are uncorrelated, it does not necessarily mean that there is no statistical relationship there. It is important to remember that just because two variables are correlated, or indeed associated, it does not necessarily imply that they are causally related. It provides evidence of an association if they are correlated, but other information is needed to provide evidence of a causal relationship. For example, there have been many strong correlations which have been found to have no feasible causal link. For instance, per capita mozzarella cheese consumption is very highly correlated with civil engineering doctorates awarded, and obviously there is no plausible causal link here. To find out more about correlation, you can go to this website, and the details are also available under the Exercises tab for this block. There is an interactive visualization on this website which you can use. So that concludes the end of this session on examining associations. Thanks for listening.